Did you know you can immigrate to Canada through the Canadian Startup Visa program just by starting a business in Canada? Today I'm going to talk to you about Tamwood Careers and how we help students develop a business idea that makes them eligible for immigration in Canada. Tamwood Careers has a department called the Global Startup School, where we teach people how to become entrepreneurs. Students who join our program learn how to develop a business idea and launch that business in Canada. Then, for students who are interested in immigration, we help them immigrate by introducing them to one of the recognized incubators in the Canadian Startup Visa program. Many of our students have been successful in getting accepted into one of the Canadian incubators and becoming eligible for permanent residency through this program. There's a lot more information on the Tamwood.com website about the Global Startup School.